Hello and welcome to this video walkthrough of the Shopify app Easy Product Badges, which allows you to add collection badges to your product pages and link to them in a nice looking badge that you can customize. So you can customize this preceding text here. You can remove it completely if you want. You can change the icons, you can change the sizes, you can remove it entirely, as well as the background color and the text. So it can look like this. Could look like that, or you could style each of the badges individually. So here is the App Store listing, which will be in the description of this video. Once you install it, you'll be taken to the home page here. So we'll see that step one is to add the app block to your theme. Step two is just activating some of the collections that you want badges for, and then you can adjust the global styling if you'd like. So to get started, let's just add this app block to our theme. It'll open up and automatically add it for you. Initially, it will be empty since you haven't activated any badges. That's all right. Don't be alarmed by that. But we can place it where we want for now, save it, and come back to it to check how it looks. So it'll put it in the bottom of your main product information. I have a bunch of test products, so there's no image here, so it might look bad. Anyways, let's place this here and save it, and then we can go into the collection enablement page. But this is how it looks so far. All right, so the next step is that we will activate some badges. So you can click this button, click over here, or this link at the top. You'll be taken to this page where you'll see every collection in your store, and you can enable them and change the colors here. So initially, everything will be offline for you. You'll just select it, and then you could change these colors. So this accepts any valid CSS. So you could do something like red, or you could put in a hex color if you want. For now, let's just do yellow. We can save this. And then we can check out these global settings. So here's just a preview. It's not your actual collections. It just shows you how the badges look. So you can change the background color, the text color, and this is just the default colors. So if you haven't customized any of the collections individually, this is the default. And then you can edit the text here. So you just say maybe collections. You could change the font size if you wanted, as well as the font weight. You can adjust the letter spacing, the line height, if there's an underline in there. Also enable or disable the icons. And there's quite a few to choose from. If you want an arrow, plus sign, or any of these, it's really easy to switch. You can also change the sizing. If you increased your font size, you might want to increase the icon. There's also margin and padding customization, as well as a border. So you can change the border radius. Maybe we want it to be square, and maybe a black border with. If you don't want any, just change that to 0. Also, by default, so you could delete this entirely. If you delete any of these numbers entirely, it'll just reset to the default values. That way nothing breaks on you. So if you save that and then refresh, we'll see 12 and then 0 come back in there. But you can update it to anything you want. It will save those changes. These are the defaults. So that's really all there is to it. So you can change the global settings, the individual collections, you can enable or disable them. And once you do, this is how it looks. So if we could refresh this page, we should see, yeah, they are red squares now. It makes it so you can easily link to any collection page in your store, or if you have special featured collections or want a sale tag, this is really good for that. So thanks for checking out this app. If you need any help, just reach out to our support team. There'll be a link inside the app. And we're happy to build out new features and functionality if you need it, or help if you have any issues getting this set up. Thanks.